just spraying that in my face?
Well, I thought I was blocking you.
So we got sheen now.
We all sheened up, ready for.
All right, cool. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll take you behind the scenes on a bikini photo shoot with model Katile. We are in Canyon Lake, Texas. I'll show you how I do it. We are going to explore some of the rocky canyon-like features in Canyon Lake, Texas. You can see there the terrain that we'll explore. Next week we'll get in part 2 down to the water with golden hour, sunset, and eventually blue hour with some off-camera flash. Today we'll do natural light only. Let's go. All right, so I don't have any idea where, I didn't think this through. Like all I got is like snake pit over here. Good, I like the way the light's hitting your left side of your face. There you go. So the way the sun's hitting you, it's kind of hitting your left side. Yeah, you don't have to look directly at it, but kind of at an angle like that. And I'll see if I can. Kind of get some shots down here. Cool, I like that. And maybe, I don't know if you can stretch your arms out like that. Yep. Perfect. Good, good, good. Getting head to toe, head to toe. Oh, I don't even have to tell you to get up on your tippy toes. You're already there. Perfect. She knows the drill. Shooting at 28 millimeters. Perfect. I don't want to shoot into the sun, so I'm going to shoot from this direction. And you can face the same way. So quick tip, you're going to be able to saturate your skies a little more blue if you shoot with the sun to your back and the model facing the sun. You can face her a little off axis so you're not blinding her. So you can see there the sun is very blue. I'm able to saturate it. Versus shooting directly into the sun here, I get a nice backlight, but the skies get kind of blown out, especially when shooting natural light. I used a reflector, and you'll see that a little bit later, to bounce some light back into the front of her, and that definitely helps. Now the key is not to get my shadow in the shot. Love that pose. And then turn your right shoulder in toward, pivot your, yep, in towards me, yep, perfect. Beautiful, all right. Let me get a little bit lower maybe. So one thing I want you to notice as I climb up here on these rocks is that I've been shooting from several different angles. I started off shooting kind of low, making her legs look a little bit longer just from that vantage point, and I took some shots just straight on, right? And now I'm getting ready to take some shots from above. So remember to not just stand in the same spot and shoot straight on. Try all kinds of different angles as much as you can. Good, good, good. The sun right here is just nice. Come right here. All right. Very cool. I love that you know where your light is. Okay. I think I've worn out this spot. All right, so you got your sandals. I'm gonna get you to, well, before we come up here, let's go to that. You'll still need your sandals. That spot, the flat piece of concrete. All right. So this is where I need like a taller rock. So let's have you maybe more straight with the dang thing is back there. Let me move it. The changing tent. Poor planning. So, take a relax for a minute. It's not too hot, is it?
No.
Okay. Where is that reflector? Let me go grab it.
Hey guys. I don't know if the camera can hear me. But we're just out here hiking. No. You know, I feel this thing. More that cheese.
All right. Yep. Think that's hitting you now. We're getting this really nice backlight that's illuminating your hair perfect. Okay, so I mentioned this earlier. What I'm doing is I'm shooting almost directly into the sun. The sun is kind of to my left. It's really difficult not to blow out your skies with natural light if you're not using flash. And even if you are using flash, it's still difficult unless you're shooting it like
Nice.
f11 or something like that. But so here I'm using a reflector to reflect some of that sunlight back into the front of her so she's not completely in shadows, and that just makes an easier edit in post because I do have some light reflected into the front of her while I also have that backlight just hitting her hair. It's really nice. So just a little tip, bring a reflector with you, especially if you're a natural light shooter and you shoot backlit. It always helps.
Love these. I'll show some of these to you in a little bit. There's like a real beautiful backlight hitting your hair and skin. Perfect. Let me adjust something here. All right, let's see if I can get one above you with you kind of doing on your back, kind of with your arch, with your back arched kind of thing. I don't know if I'll do it. I don't think I'm gonna have the height to do it from the top. Maybe I do it from the side. I'm not sure.
Guys, because I can barely see the screen.
So I've almost busted my ass like how many times?
I don't know. Definitely a handful.
Probably at least 3. It's probably closer to 5. Okay. 6.